Peace, love, and light, y'all. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Daytime video. I know, right? I'm outside too. Feels like we haven't had one of these in so long. I've been up since like yesterday, man. I've been up since yesterday. Been doing like intermediate fasting. It's primarily fasting, just like literally eating a handful of walnuts and stuff like that. I really did have like a craving for food. It's like I think I wanted some dry mango. It was just like tasty to me. That's what I really had a craving. But it was like all the stores are closed because I guess like their timing sequence change or whatnot. But but let me tell you this: make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You guys can book a one-on-one consultation by sending us a DM on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. You know what I'm saying? Or you can email us at info@healingthroughinspiration. You dig, to book a consultation. We got awesome courses. We got a business course for those who want to start a business. You guys don't have one, you don't know how to go about it, where to go about it. I literally got the best course for you guys that I took myself. I've literally paid thousands. I paid thousands of dollars alone to just one coach. And this course right here is most definitely, it's a fraction of that. A fraction. Really a small hair of what I paid. It's the best course I've ever taken. And that's how I recommend it, you dig? But for sure. And also we got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. Go ahead and check it out. And we got our feathers up. We're not just talking, we're actually living it. It's kind of loud, so I'm gonna put the device close. I'm by the street, but I said feathers up. We're not just talking, we're actually living it. Shoot, man. Today was the length of experiences. Oh, look at the dog. There's a length of experiences, I say. I had actually walked to FAS. I'm just saying, because I see a place that I used the place that anyway. It's the place that I had used to be at. But let me focus on the story. Oh, they got the sprinklers on. Let me move this way. Whoop. Yeah. But as I was saying I was at the place. What's up, guy? How you doing? Okay. Long time no see. Man. What's up? Have a great one, y'all. But y'all might recognize him from the one video. But like I was saying, I was the one video when I was helping the guy get the advice and I was talking to him. I think you can lead people to medicine. Some to medicine. You can't give medicine to people who love being sick. You dig what I'm saying? I think it was that video or something like that. But yeah, man. Frick. But as I was saying, it was a length of experiences as far as me waking up, had some positive news, things coming in, things developing as they should. But what happened was, I think I had made a phone call. I was on the phone call. I don't want to make this a long enough story that it is, but I was on a phone call and I was getting some things situated because I got transferred another call because I was returning something from a voicemail. And I was calling them, and apparently they sent me to like a different department. It wasn't. I don't know. It was a different department. Apparently I wasn't supposed to be there. And so then they said, "Oh, you calling us about this and that?" And I'm like, "Okay." What's your information so we can find out this? And I'm like, "Okay." So apparently I was supposed to have something. And they tried to tell me I missed a meeting. I was like, "I missed a meeting for something." I'm like, "I missed a meeting." I'm like, "They never gave me an alert." And the dude was on his repel dude. He was just on the phone being extremely rude. Like, he was just acting like, oh, man, nothing you can do about it. He was just being rude with his tone. And to the point, I said, hey, man, I told him, all right, well, one, can you do something about it? Like, there's nothing I can do. I'm like, one, can you do something about it? And can you adjust your tone? And he had paused. And then he went on talking. And then he never adjusted. I'm like, yo, this. And then he was just sitting there acting extremely rude. Sitting there being rude as ever, purposely rude. This is how these foreigners like to treat, original inhabitants, these motherfucking hybrids. Even with a job like that, like, because he thinks he had a well-paid job behind the desk, and you can't get fired, really, like that. So he gets to talk to people like that, man. And I'm just like, yo. And I'm just like, motherfuckers like that, they only gonna try it where it's safe. I ain't never seen these motherfuckers try it when it wasn't safe. I swear to God. And I never experienced it when they never tried it when it wasn't safe. Because when it did, it has changed up real quick. You dig? And I'm like, I wanted to discipline this motherfucker so bad. And discipline an extension, because alone my actions could have been with it. But anyways, so as I'm talking to him like that, guess who's there? My biological father wakes up out of sleep. This motherfucker don't even speak to me. But don't even want to speak to me. He wanted to put his messages. He wakes up out of sleep. Well, he wasn't even sleeping then, because he overheard. You need to ask for this, ask for that. Oh, ask for this, ask to speak to the supervisor. And I'm like, why are you talking? I'm like, I can't even have a conversation by my freaking self. I can't even have a freaking conversation by myself. Are you freaking serious? Because I already been asked to speak to somebody else. I already been asked to speak to I was already on the verge of asking the supervisor, but I got this person interrupting me. Bitch, I wouldn't be on the phone, but these people had to deal with certain stuff if it wasn't for you, motherfucker. What the frick is your problem? Just so irritating. Stinky motherfucker, dog. Crazy. And I was trying to speak to the supervisor, and he was like, oh, well, I can't get the supervisor because I don't know which one it's going to be. And I'm like, and I asked him for his name. I thought his name was Johnson. Then he said it was Jonathan. So I'm like, whatever. So anyways, I wrote down, he's like, yeah, that's all you need. And I'm just like, this bitch ass boy. I just wanted to speak to the supervisor. He's like, oh, well, I have to report it. And then it was cold because I wanted to speak to somebody else. And they said it's different times and it has to get transferred or something like that. So I'm like, man, what the frick is this motherfucker talking about? But he just dancing around the questions, just acting like a bitch. And I'm just like, you just this little pale bitch. Man, you feel me? And I was just like, dog, I want to do it so bad, you dig? But he's only doing this because he's safe. And I was actually angry because of that. And I was angry because my biological father was a narcissist. Like, man, stay your ass the frick out. I can't even have a conversation of my own. What the frick? And you trying to invade? Bitch, you ain't trying to help. The motherfucker who trying to help, he gonna give you back what he stole. You dick. Motherfucker got, whatever, he can have that car. It's in his name. You know, my biological parents, they know what they doing with it. Just a bitch ass motherfucker. Motherfucker's gonna find out stuff soon. And you know what, I was actually angry. And you know what, one of the things too, I looked into the sun. I was sun gazing. And I was sun gazing, and I could feel like my worries began to leave. No anger, and I just became really light. So the sun was healing me. But I most definitely know that the energy was definitely righteous, and it had to be a cleansing of the land. You dig? That's what goes on, because it's most definitely in sequence for these foreigners to be rid of. You know. But yeah, you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation? You could do that by sending us email info@healingthroughinspiration. You dig? Or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. We got our links in the description box. You dig? Make sure y'all check it out. Go to healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. All of that. But then walk into the store, no mask. So you know how that is. Anyways, y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. Freaking idiots gotta be around here. Dealing with no mask. Peace, love.